Yes, I have.
Is she in a walk?
Little more.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with my auntie. I'm just back. So today I'm there with my auntie, my favorite auntie at that, and we have a good relationship. So I'm saying, no, let me play the game here with her. She don't know what we do. No, it's a setup. So we're gonna do a never have I ever, a spicy never have I ever. So we might mix it with some embarrassing ones, but mostly spicy because I want fast and I'm of age now, so you can tell me things them. First one, start off with funny and spicy. Never have I ever shaved my private area in any specific way just to entertain your partner. Never. Let me just make my answer no, never. What should I think about? What should I think about?
Yes, I have.
Is she in a walk?
Little more.
Should do it, guys. Should do it, alright? Next question. Never have I ever created a fake profile to snoop on my partner's ex or your partner's ex.
Never.
Never. Never. Alright. Never have I ever flirted with my partner's best friend.
Never.
Okay. Never have I ever make out with someone of the same gender.
Never.
Never. Never either. Alright.
It's just a little spicy though.
Never have I ever had a
Sugar daddy?
no threesome.
Never. Never.
Never. Never for me. Never have I ever masturbated. You remember the wrong name? Why should I take so long for answer? What you say? Me not hear. What you say?
Never.
Auntie Shireen, this is. You remember the running boy like never?
Never. Yeah, man.
Should I tell lie and the game just start? Never, Auntie Shireen?
Never masturbate.
I have. Mommy, me don't want you for your answer. That's why I'm gonna play with you. Yeah.
I dropped my masturbate enough time. Just kidding.
I have. Never have I ever had a fake orgasm just to let your partner feel.
I have.
Should I tell me what me done? Never. No. Wait.
But pass. Did I pass?
I'm sure you're making
Pass
clear.
it.
You know over here, watch. I have.
But I've never. Oh. No, me said I did.
Yeah, you said,
I
mommy,
just
you
said
said,
I do it.
no, I have.
Oh.
I have. Alright. Never have I ever had a one night stand.
I have.
Never. Never have I ever slept with a co-worker.
Never.
Never. Never. Never have I ever slept with my friend's ex.
Never.
Never have I ever used handcuffs.
Never. Google use handcuff.
No.
Oh, you use string?
Never have I ever flirted with a teacher.
I have.
I have. Never have I ever received a lap dance.
I have.
I have. Wish me they had it when women in there. Never have I ever sent naughty pictures.
I have.
I have. Mommy, never have I ever taken a shower selfie.
I have.
You have to say I have, come see you.
Which part?
In the bathroom a long time.
The bathroom no always a...
No.
You peep. Through your always a people by the top of the bathroom.
Never have I ever been shy in the bedroom.
I have.
I have.
Oh.
Why me I look for me so? Never have I ever kissed a stranger.
Never.
I have. Alright. Never have I ever had a friend with benefits.
I have.
I have. Never have I ever shoplifted.
Never.
Never. Never have I ever farted loudly in public.
I have.
I have. Oliver time. Never have I ever put gum under the table. Under
All the
a
time.
table.
All the time.
No, but
Especially
on the
when I'm
wall.
in bed,
On the wall.
I said I big up.
Alright. Never have I ever called the cops on someone.
Never.
Never.
No inform around here.
Never have I ever lurked on an ex online.
Never. Alright, what?
Never have I ever lurked on an ex online.
Lurk.
Yeah. Auntie Sharon, you have.
I have never.
Me can't remember.
Never.
Never have I ever used medicine that wasn't prescribed to me or to you. I have.
Like cough medicine.
Like, me feel like them as like somebody get a medicine or maybe, I'm not
Like
sure.
cough medicine, but I'm not gonna take pill when I prescribe to me.
Me not take pill when I prescribe to me, but
if I like cough
ointment.
medicine, yeah.
Me use
Ointment.
ointment whenever prescribed to me. And me, yeah, like to my eczema and them stuff there. Me use them there. Never have I ever thrown a drink at someone.
I have.
I have never. Where who?
Not tell you. But me do it.
Bad you like, you know. Never have I ever gotten in a physical fight.
All the time.
I have. Never have I ever lied on my resume.
I have to.
You have to do it?
Sometimes require line.
Me
To
never.
get through, just to get through.
Me never.
But me still nice and honest. Yeah.
This is one good question. Never have I ever re-gifted a gift that was given to me.
I have.
I have. Yo,
We
who we
sent
get it from?
No.
No, what's mama?
True.
Yo,
True.
I'm telling my grandmother still. Quick story
True.
time. Yo, we give my grandmother a rubber ear like last 2 years. 2 years ago. And my grandmother, we come here, so no one remember say, me give her, you know, and come and say, oh, this is a rubber ear. That's my little sister. Mama, where you get that rubber there from? You know, so me having a barrel put on long time. Me I say, you're not easy. I saw my grandmother stay, but me do it. Me think everybody do that. Everybody
Yeah.
do it. Because me normally do that because I not like sell stuff. If me get something and it can't fit me or me just feel like say that do good with it, me not sell it. Me not love sell. Alright. Never have I ever been sneezed on.
I have.
I have. and me
Sneeze just
hate
come out
it.
sometimes. You just come out with it.
No, but people ever sneeze on you?
And a purposely. Me don't feel like a purpose.
No, let me tell you, no. Somebody sneeze on me already, man. Me just upset for you all day because me this smells so bad
Probably
on my
time
shoulder. It stink till it can't stink
Yeah,
no
because
more.
Sneeze smell different.
Alright guys, so this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I know just a little spicy question come on for see what going on my auntie life, because I'm of age now and you can't talk whisper around me,
I
because
spell the word though.
I spell a word around me like say, you know. So me glad me and her could have like sit down and do the video here. Comment some video ideas below or go over to my Instagram page and comment some video ideas what you want to see me do, who you want to see me collab with, and I'll get them done. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Road to 50k this close. Bye guys.